Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to change region on iPhone. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the settings into your phone. And now once you are on the settings, you could just simply select your profile at the top, guys. And now here on your profile, you could just simply go for the media and purchases down below, and you should be able to see view account. Now over here, you should be able to select country slash region, and pretty much you should be able to change your region over here, and you will have multiple options in default by iPhone from A to Z, or you could utilize the search bar at the top to search for a specific region that you want. And pretty much that's it. Select done or select the specific language or region. And guys, since it will stop my recording once I have changed my region because it will reset my phone, I should just be simply follow these steps. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.